Jake was a teenager. He lived in New York. He loved drawing. He loved writing, but he was poor. One evening, Jake was walking home. The sky was dark. The street was quiet. Suddenly, an old man called him. The man said, "Come here." Jake felt nervous, but he stopped. The man held a small box. He said, "Take this." Jake asked, "What is it?" The man whispered, "A pen." Jake opened the box. He saw a pen. It was black. It had silver lines. It looked different. Jake said, "Why me?" The man replied, "'Cause you need it." Jake was confused. The man walked away. Jake called, "Wait." "Item day." But the man disappeared. Jake looked around. Nobody was there. He felt strange. He put the box in his pocket. He ran home. At home, Jake sat at his desk. He opened the box. He picked up the pen. It was heavy. It was shiny. He thought, "Let me try." He took a notebook. He wrote one line, "I want a burger." Suddenly, a burger appeared. Hot and fresh, with cheese and fries. Jake's eyes grew wide. He touched it. It was real. He shouted, "No way!" He ate the burger. It was tasty. He laughed. He could not believe it. He wrote again, "I want a soda." A soda can appeared, cold and sweet. Jake screamed. He said, "This pen is magic." Jake could not sleep. He kept looking at the pen. His heart was fast. He whispered, "I can write anything." Next morning, he tested again. He wrote, "I want new shoes." Shoes appeared, white and clean. Jake wore them. He wrote again, but then he stopped. He thought, "If I tell people, they will want it too." He decided, "This will be my secret." Jake had one best friend. Her name was Mia. Mia was smart. Mia was loyal. They went to the same school. Mia saw Jake's shoes. She asked, "Where did you buy them?" Jake smiled. He said, "It's a secret." Mia rolled her eyes. She said, "You always hide things." Jake laughed. He said, "One day, I will tell you." But inside, Jake was confused. Should he share the secret, or should he keep it? That night, Jake wrote, "I want a laptop." A laptop appeared. Fast and new. He smiled. But then he felt lonely. He thought, things are nice, but friends are better. At school, Jake was quiet. But some boys bullied him. They said, "Poor boy, dirty shoes." Jake was angry. He wanted to fight. But then he remembered the pen. At home, he wrote, "I want money." A stack of dollars appeared. Jake stared at it. He whispered, "I'm rich." Next day, he bought snacks. He bought new clothes. He looked cool. The bullies were shocked. They asked, "How did you change so fast?" Jake smirked. He said, "Magic." But deep inside, he was scared. He thought, what if someone finds out? Jake could not stop writing. Every night he used the pen. Every morning he woke with new things. He had new clothes. He had new food. He had new gadgets. Life felt like a dream. But he was not fully happy, because happiness is not only things. Happiness is also people. Mia noticed his change. She said, "Jake, you are different." He said, "How?" She said, "You look richer, but you look sad." Jake smiled weakly. He said, "I'm fine." But in his heart, he knew he was lonely. One night, he wrote, "I want to meet the old man again." But nothing happened. The pen stayed still. He whispered, "Why not?" Jake realized something. The pen gave things, but it did not give people. It did not give love. It did not give peace. News spread in school. Jake is rich now. News spread in school. Jake is rich now. Jake has everything. Jake is hiding something. The bullies followed him. They checked his bag, but they found nothing. Still, they were curious. One boy named Ryan said, "I'll find his secret." Ryan was clever. Ryan was greedy. That night, Ryan followed Jake. Jake sat in his room. He opened his notebook. He wrote with the pen. Ryan peeked from the window. He saw the pen glow. He saw a new watch appear. Ryan gasped. He whispered, "Magic." Next day, Ryan told others, "Jake has a magic pen." Nobody believed him, but Ryan did. He decided to steal it. One afternoon, Jake left his bag. He went to the restroom. Ryan sneaked in. He grabbed the pen. He ran away. When Jake returned, the pen was gone. He shouted, "No, no." He searched everywhere. He cried. Ryan sat in his room. He laughed. He said, "Now it's mine." He wrote, "I want a car." A car appeared. He screamed with joy. He wrote again, "I want gold." Gold appeared. He laughed louder. But soon problems started. Ryan wrote too much. His room filled with things. It was messy. It was dangerous. The pen grew hot. It glowed red. Ryan dropped it. Ryan dropped it. He said, "What is happening?" The pen rolled on the floor. It stopped moving. The glow faded. The pen became silent. Jake was broken. He sat on his bed. He whispered, "The pen is gone." Mia came to visit. She saw him sad. She asked, "What happened?" Jake told her everything. At first, she laughed. Ryan looked scared. His face was pale. His room was messy. He shouted, "Take it back." He threw the pen at Jake. Jake caught it. He said, "What happened?" And Ryan cried. He said, "It stopped working. It is cursed." Jake looked at Mia. She said, "Maybe it only works for you." Jake held the pen again. It glowed softly. It worked once more. He felt happy, but this time he was careful. He whispered, "I will not be greedy." He used it only for good. He wrote food for the poor. He wrote books for children. He wrote gifts for friends. People smiled. People thanked him. Jake felt true joy. He said, "This is real happiness." Mia was proud. She said, "You are different now." Jake nodded. He replied, "I learned a lesson. One night he wrote, "I want the pen to rest." The pen stopped glowing. It became a normal pen. Jake smiled. He said, "Now the magic is in me, not in the pen." He kept writing stories. He kept writing dreams, not with magic, but with heart. The magic pen was special. It gave Jake many things. It also gave him lessons. Lesson 1, don't be greedy. Lesson 2, share with others. Lesson 3, true magic is kindness. Jake grew up. He became a writer. He told his story to the world, and people learned from him. The pen was quiet, but the story lived forever.